Up, down, up, down. Hey everybody, welcome back. We are doing the last tournament on Ratchet, if I remember correctly. We gotta do the Liberator tournament. And then we're gonna have to deal with Ace Hardlight. Figure out what that guy's up to. Deal with him, then maybe deal with Gleam and Vox. And then maybe we're done. And there's definitely not a whole lot of maybes coming off of this for any specific reason. God, it's just been so long. Why does my controller do that? Stop. Fuck. Still don't like those 3 mods, so I'm not gonna bother. The Harbinger is still too expensive. Not gonna bother. And we're good. Here we go. Into the Battle Dome. Let's go ahead and skip that. Here we go.
We're back in the Battle Dome as Ratchet begins the Liberator Tournament. No contestant has made it through this baby all season, and frankly, I don't expect that to change today.
Oh, it's a weapon cycling round. I was trying to switch. I was like, why is it not switching? Alright. That thing died quickly. Look at that. Look how quickly that died. Are they just giving me the Arbiter? That seems like a bad idea on their part. Look at 2 shots, boom. It's very different from the beginning of the game. Remember, I took a lot of shots to do that. Whoop. Bam! Look at all those guys. No! How did it give me the B6 Obliterator? I don't even own this gun. I don't even own this gun. I didn't buy this gun. Fuck! This thing does no damage. Also, look at the firing rate. I did not buy... This is pissing me off. I did not buy this gun. This is why, everybody, if you haven't played the game, this is why I did not buy the gun. Because it is terrible. So it is terrible. It is terrible. I have 2 life left. Give me a new gun. He's not even killing those guys. Shit. Okay, fuck. That was ridiculous. Give me a different any gun except for that, except for like the hollow shield launcher. Alright, so yeah, Arbiter, okay, I agree. I agree with the Arbiter. I'm not entirely sure I need to dance as much as I do. I do an awful lot of dancing in this. Just like right now, I'm pretty sure I could be standing still and doing it.
Oh, this guy should have his own fitness machine, his own shoes, his own fat-burning barbecue.
Nanotech.
Run, Ratchet, run!
Run, Ratchet, run! Again? It's gotta be... I might have to... Look, it doesn't even kill those guys. I seriously might have to buy this gun, level it up, and do that. Because I don't know. I don't know about this. I don't know about this B6. It's not even gaining experience. It's not like I could just do this over and over again and have it eventually work. Nope. Look how long it's going to take to kill this thing. Like 1 billion shots later. Okay, so there's one over here somewhere. See, there are two more. I'm mostly worried about the turrets now. Shit. Okay. I think that's it, just this thing. Alright, I think I got this. B6 Obliterator. Fuck this rock gun. Fuck this gun a lot. Jesus. Terrible, terrible gun.
Mom always said what doesn't kill you only makes you stronger. On Dread Zone, what does kill you gets us better ratings. Yeah! In this round, Ratchet will run and shoot faster and faster with each opponent he defeats. I wonder what Mom would think of that.
Jeez.
Kill this little runt already?
I don't know if it's a good idea to have me speed up. That seems like a bad idea on their part. Doesn't it? Maybe they're just hoping that, like, eventually I'll be out of control. I'll be too fat. Jeez. Fail 1000. And a speed mod, like I'm already not going fast enough. %. Screen shaking an awful lot. Jeez. Fast. One last little like of sound before it quits. I like the screen is still shaking there from my flail.
Oh, listen to that crowd, Juanita! Nights like this that I'm glad I gave up my ballet dancing career.
Tonight we bring you Dread Zone's most highly anticipated matchup yet. In one corner, the undefeated Grand Champion Exterminator, a legend in his own time, Ace Headlights!
And in the other corner, weighing in at 97.5 pounds, most of it probably fluff or fat, Ratchet.
This is it, Runt. I almost wish it wasn't going to be over so quickly. Just try to keep it interesting while it lasts, would you?
Okay, let's go ahead and...
The power of Ace Hardlights. This is as far as you go, Lombax. I'm the star around here. Ah, that one actually hurt.
Uh-oh. Wait, what the fuck? You just got your life back.
I've always thought the world needed more of me, and now they get it.
Let's see whose action figure they buy now, Lombax.
You little rodent, you're gonna pay for that.
What they call you? What? I'm sorry. What do they call you? What the shit just hit me? I don't know. Look at that one again. Because that's like a joke. That you just jump over.
Hey, Lombax, do you feel lucky? Yeah. That one actually
Look how much life he gets. He gets like all of his life back. Alright, add a shots for that. Oops. Okay. Maybe being this close isn't that good of an idea.
You little rodent, you're gonna pay for that.
See how he gets all of his life back when he goes in that shield? See, that little thing there must have been what hit me. Can I lock onto that thing? No, there's no locking onto that thing.
must fight. Ignore pain.
Ignore pain. You know what I love about you fighting fair is the fact that you're fighting fair right now.
I've always thought the world needed more of me, and now they get it.
Really? You're invulnerable again?
My job. I can't help if I love it.
Why are you still invulnerable?
Hey, I'm out of med packs. Not that I need them.
You're nothing compared to Ace Hardlight.
I feel like I have to do something that I'm not thinking of. Because he just keeps on doing that. Oh shit.
And now, for my finishing move.
Does your finishing move become invulnerable for the entire time that we're fighting? Is that your finishing move? 'Cause that's an awful finishing move. Really? That took forever. Okay, well. What? I unlocked another one? Curiouser and curiouser.
Watch out for the new Liberator!
Of course it's black. The final one is always black. Oh, I've already got it on.
Ratchet! You can't beat me. You're just a half-sized rodent with a big wrench.
Stay down, Ace. Don't embarrass yourself.
Embarrass? Embarrass? I'm Ace Hardlight.
You were a hero once, Ace.
Ratchet, don't let Fox do to you what he did to me. You're the hero now.
He just sits there while these two big guys grab him.
You want a box?
My boy, you're the grand champion of Dread Zone. The whole galaxy wants to see you. Don't you see, kid? I've been doing everything in my power to make you a star. I've transformed you from a worthless nobody into the hottest celebrity in the galaxy.
Right. So that's why your news show is slandering me every 6 seconds.
Slandering? Why, I was building up your bad boy image. And this is the thanks I get.
Whatever.
Now, don't be such a baby. I'm about to offer you the opportunity of 1,000 lifetimes. I'm making you the new captain of the Exterminators. The star of the show. Think of it. We'll make billions. We'll sell Ratchet action figures, Ratchet sports shoes, Ratchet deodorant, Ratchet breakfast cereal, earmuffs and cologne, soft drinks, hard drinks, energy drinks, breath mints. You get record deals, movie rights, reality shows, video games, and commercials.
And video games he mentioned.
and
No deal, Vox.
what did you say?
I'm not your puppet, Vox. You actually think I'd kill other heroes to get rich? You're not just corrupt, you're stupid.
Why you just signed your own death warrant.
So we're done then.
Let him go.
Yes, sir?
We're going to need one final Dread Zone campaign. Have them prepare that, experimental one we developed.
Sir, you don't mean the Gauntlet of Doom, do you?
Yes.
But, sir, it was mathematically proven to be unbeatable. Right away, sir.
How do you mathematically prove it to be unbeatable? Unless it's like, people can't jump this high. You know. Let's see if there's one more upgrade. Oh, there is. Fourth of 4 devices used to increase your combat boss' armor and damage capabilities. The device requires 2 people to lift, 1 person to monitor the deadly amounts of radiation it gives off. Awesome. I like the cigar in there. Is there a green one? There's not a green one. All the colors and there's not a green one. That's okay. We'll do without the green one. Let's see if there's any new Dread challenges. I don't think there are. But we still haven't done that using only the wrench one. Yeah, see? Oh, there's 2. Alright, let's... Shit, where was it? I missed it. There it is. Okay, here we go. Now I got two or three wrench upgrades from where I started originally. Plus some more life. Let's see, can I kill these guys one hitting there? Oh, that's right, I turned them into chickens. It's like a freezing, morphing... There's a dude here. Oh! Yeah, this is much easier. See that? Oh, shit.
Whoa! This announcer is impressed.
Yeah, watch out for the sniper guy. Where you going? Where you going? Is nowhere the answer? What up? Ooh. Okay. Doing okay. Bet you there's gonna be a big guy coming out of here. There he is. Oh, turn him into a pig. Awesome. I think you're so awesome. I think you're too cool for school. Well, newsflash, Walter Cronkite. You aren't. Yeah, look at that. That was cake. So now we got 2 more. How we doing on time? Yeah, we'll do these 2. Ready for a few rounds with some angry Dread Zone employees who'd like nothing better to take your head off? Employees? Why do the employees not like me?
Oh, we're getting down to the end, folks. Let's see how he handles the danger round.
The danger round. That was the best name they could have come up with, the danger round. I'm just gonna kind of stay over here. Off a lot of these turrets. Gonna launch a couple over there. Oh, they're going for me now. Whoop! Whoop! What do you want? What do you... Okay, you know, this is a bit much.
Team Darkstar simply won't give up.
Alright, there's 4 of those guys. Oops, totally missed. These guys, there's no way that these things are employees. I'm sorry. They couldn't do any paperwork. Quit moving. They're just rotating around. Oh, there's the spinners. Yes, nanotech increased. Get all my life back. This thing needs to get to level 10. Like pronto. An awful lot of these guys. That wasn't fair. That guy shot me into the other guy. Oh my god! Look how many zombies just showed up. I gotta be really close to a level. Yeah, there we go. Area mod, that'll help. And we're at 2200, okay. Oh, jeez. Alright. So we got 1 more, and then I think we are officially out of Dread challenges. I did them all on 5. Challenge wouldn't be difficult if Ratchet's health and weapon animation weren't draining away second by second, and if the arena wasn't getting smaller, and if the bots were halfway competent, but sometimes life just isn't fair. 50,000 points. I'm assuming that's just to be unlock whatever is, in case you haven't unlocked anything.
Oh, isn't technology great, folks? We can teleport ammunition out of Ratchet's gun before he even fires! He'll be losing ammo faster than a mutant muck beast can devour your spleen!
A mutant muck beast. So now it's 4 shots to kill those things. Oops, missed.
This is what they mean by gratuitous violence, Juanita. I'm gonna call my kids and tell them to stop watching, just as soon as I have kids.
3, 4, done.
Run, Ratchet, run!
Oh, there's another one. 2, 3, 4. Oh, here's life. Oh. Round 2 of 8, I just realized.
That was the last of them. I must say, I'm impressed. He's not even close to done. I'm just toying with his mind.
Oh man, Juanita. You are crazy. Shit. Shit. I only got hit twice that whole time. That sucks. This one's gonna be hard.
Oh, isn't technology great, folks? We can teleport ammunition out of Ratchet's gun before he even fires. He'll be losing ammo faster than a mutant muck beast can devour your spleen. Oh, and that hurts.
And that hurts. Taking out the dropships, taking out the dropships. Cause they drop off, guys, and I don't want them to. Taking out the dropships. Taking out the
This guy's gonna sell a
dropships.
lot of commercial time, Juanita. Let's just pray we don't have any more wardrobe malfunctions.
Wow!
You
Oof.
know, I bet against Ratchet and Candle. Oh, isn't technology great, folks? We can teleport ammunition out of Ratchet's gun before he even fires. He'll be losing ammo faster than a mutant muck beast can devour your spleen.
Missed.
Oh, and that hurts.
That thing can turn on a dime. That's why that guy's been alive for too long.
I think explosions are pretty.
Ooh, now attack, that'll be helpful. That would have been helpful, like, at a later point in time. I feel like there's a dropship and I'm just not seeing it. Maybe it's just those two and we're just winning.
Looks like that was the last of them. I must say, I'm impressed.
Well, I never thought I'd see the day.
Psych! He's not even close to done. I'm just toying with his mind.
Okay, I'm gonna pause. I'm gonna end it here. And we're gonna see if we can do this one or not. I'll talk to you guys next time. Alright, later. I finally did complete this one, and this is the score screen from me completing it. So I finally did do that, and while I was doing that, since it took me so many times to do it, both the Arbiter and the sniper rifle gained another level. So I'll show you here. Weapons. What happened was, so that became the silencer, and now it shoots 3 shots, and that's the antimatter rifle, and so it kills a little bit better than what it did last time. That's the only thing that you missed. And I just check here, and there's absolutely nothing I want in there. So, yeah, next time we're going to the ghost station. Alright? I'll catch you guys later.